Good morning to everybody. Yesterday we discussed about what is meant by rational number, what is meant by natural whole numbers and all. So today we will start the exercise. Exercise 1.1. Very first question is exercise 1.1. Very first question is 0 is a rational number. Is 0 is a rational number. Can you write in the form of p by q where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0? Yes, 0 is a rational number because 0 is a rational number because we can write 0 as 0 by 1 because 0 can be write as 0 by 1 where both 0 and 1 are integers, where both 0 and 1 are integers, and also it is in the form of p by q, and also it is in the form of p by q. It's very important, one more question, please keep in your mind. Also it is in the form of p by q, so therefore it is a rational number. So we know that any number which can be expressed in the form of p by q where q not equal to 0, both p and q are integer, then it is a rational number. Am I right here? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? Yeah, come to the second question. So you have to write everything in your max copy. Please maintain one long size notebook and then you have to write down. Am I right? Yeah. Come to the second question. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So already we know that how many rational numbers are there between any two rational numbers? Infinite number of rational numbers are there. Infinite number of rational numbers. In the second question, what you have to find? Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Between 3 and 4. Am I right? Yeah, 3 and 4 are the whole numbers. So 3 can be written as 3 by 1. 3 can be written as 3 by 1, 4 can be written as 4 by 1. Now, how many rational numbers we are going to find? We are going to insert 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. If you want to insert n rational numbers between n two rational number, you have to multiply by n plus 1. That is a procedure. Here, how many rational numbers we are going to find? 6. So, 6 plus 1 is what? 7. So, you have to multiply by 7. So, in a fraction, if you are multiplying by any non-zero constant with the numerator and denominator, you will get the same. That is a equivalent fraction of 3. That is equivalent fraction of what? 3. Now suppose if you want to find 10 rational numbers between any two, so you have to multiply by 10 plus 1 is what? 11. So you have to multiply by 11 in both numerator and denominator. Are you getting here? Yes. Now 3 into 7 is what? 21. 1 into 7 is what? 7 here. So 21 by 7 is nothing but 3. So 4 into 7 into 7. So 4 7s are 28 by 7. So 28 by 7 is nothing but 4. So now these 21 by 7 and 28 by 7, we are getting the same denominator as 7. We are getting the same denominator as 7. If suppose the given fractions are not a like fraction, you have to make it as a like fraction by taking LCM. We will do one more question based on that. Now, in between 21 and 28, if you are getting 6 rational number, we can stop it here. Okay. Now after 21 what? 22 by 7. 21 after 22 by 7. 23 by 7 is less than 24 by 7. 25 by 7 and 26 by 7 and then 27 by 7. Am I right here? Are we getting how many rational numbers we have to find? 7 rational numbers we have to, 6 rational numbers we have to find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 6 rational numbers in between these 3 and 4. So what is the procedure? If it is a whole number, directly you can multiply. If suppose if you are finding n number of rational numbers in between that, adding with this number plus 1, that is n plus 1. Suppose if you are finding n rational number between 2, multiply by n plus 1 in both numerator and denominator. Suppose if you are finding 10 rational numbers, multiply by 10 plus 1 is what? 11. So multiply by 11 with the given whole number. Am I right here? If suppose if it is a given, it is given in the fraction, so what will you do? Yes, first you have to ensure whether it is a like fraction or not. If it is a like fraction, then same procedure, multiply by n plus 1 in both numerator and denominator. Am I right? If it is not a like fraction, you have to make it as a like fraction. If you are getting that required rational numbers between any two, then you can proceed. Otherwise, you have to multiply by again any non-zero constant with the both numerator and denominator. Are you getting there? Yes. Now, come to the third question now. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Find 5 rational numbers between, this is question number 3. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So here it is given in a fraction. Am I right? 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are the two rational numbers. So they ask you to insert 5 rational number in between that. Okay. So first you have to check whether it is a like fraction or not. Yes. 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are like fractions. What is meant by like fraction? Yes. If two or more fractions having the same denominator, then it is called as what? Like fractions. Unlike fraction means if two or more fractions having different denominator, then it is called as what? Unlike fraction. For example, unlike fraction 2 by 4, 3 by 9, am I right dear? 1 by 11. So these are all the example for the unlike fraction. Like fraction 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 9 by 5, 11 by 5. These are all the examples for like fractions. Okay. Now these given two fractions are like fractions. So 3 by 5. Now write down the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Now how many rational numbers we are going to find? 5 rational numbers between these two. So 5 plus 1 is what? 6. Multiply by 6 in both numerator and denominator. That is get the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Now 3 into 6, that is 18 by 5 6 are 30. 4 6 are 24 by 30. Now in between this 18 by 30 and 24 by 30, so we will get 5 rational numbers. Am I right? What are they? Now 5 rational numbers between 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are, tell me dear, what is that? What is that? Yes, that is 19 by 30 is less than 20 by 30 is less than 21 by 30 and less than 22 by 30 less than 23 by 30. So these are the 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Are you getting there? Yes. I will give one more example with a different denominator. Okay. I am going to take like the same question only. It is extra question. It's extra question. It is not in your exercise. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. Am I right? So first what you have to check? You have to check whether the given fractions are like or unlike. These two fractions are unlike fractions because we are having the different denominator. So first you have to make it as a like fraction. So that is 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 is given for you. LCM of 3 and 2 is what dear? 6. 3 into 2 is 6. Because 2 and 3 are co-prime, then the LCM should be the product of those two co-prime number. So 3 2s are 6. Now get the equivalent fraction of 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 with the denominator 6. So what should be multiplied? Yes, 2 should be multiplied to get the denominator as 6. And then 1 by 2 is given. What should be multiplied to get the denominator as 6? Yes, 3 here. So 3 by 6. Are you getting there? Now we got 2 by 6 and 3 by 6, but we are not getting any fraction in between these 2 by 6 and 3 by 6. Am I right? So again what you have to do? Again you have to write down the equivalent fraction for these 2 by 6. It's very simple. See, 2 by 6, 3 by 6. Am I right here? Yes. Now how many rational numbers you are going to find? Insert 5 rational numbers. So n plus 1. N is here 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Here also 6. So 12 by 36. Here 6. Here 6. 18 by 36. Now we got 5 rational number in between these 2 12 and 18. Therefore 5 rational numbers between 5 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2 are tell me here 12 after 13 by 36, 14 by 36, 15 by 36, 16 by 36, another one is 17 by 36. Am I right dear? Are we getting 8 now? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are getting 5 rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. I hope everyone you understood this one. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss the question number 4. Otherwise, tomorrow we will continue the question number 4. Am I right dear? Yes. Thank you everybody. Thank you.